how to edit all your videos, audience at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to YouTube. Now click here, click on YouTube Studio. It will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click on content, select all the videos, click on edit, click on audience, and click if it is made for kids or not, for example no, and click update videos, click I understand, and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.